How to use the Japanese sentence pattern quantifier dake or noun dake. Let's find out. For our English explanation, so the Nihongo word dake, minasang, in English can be translated as only. It is added after a quantifier or a noun to indicate that there is no more or nothing else. So when we use dake, it is like indicating that there are no other options. So on this sentence pattern, we can use either quantifier or a noun. Let's give an example. Pawa denki ni gaikokujin no shain ga hitori dake imasu. So on this example, we use a quantifier. The quantifier is the hitori. Then after the quantifier or the hitori, we use dake. So we are indicating that there's only one foreigner working on this power plant company. Another example, Yasumi wa nichiyobi dake desu. So in this example, you use a noun or the nichiyobi. So in this example, we are indicating that the only day that we have Yasumi or rest day is during Sundays. For our Taglish explanation, so yung Nihongo word na dake, minasang, sa English ay natatranslate siya as only. So si dake ay ina-add natin o dinuduktong natin after ng either quantifier or noun. So after ng quantifier or noun, duduktong lang natin yung dake para ma-indicate natin na ito lang yung tanging mayroon at wala lang ibang pamimilian. So, madali lang naman tong pattern nito. Bigyan na tayo ng example para mas maintindihan natin. Pawa denki ni gaikokujin no shain ga hitori dake imasu. Dake yun, dake. So, sa example natin na yun, no, i-indicate natin na iisa lang o isang tao lang yung foreigner na nagtatrabaho sa power electric na ito. Bigyan tayo isang example. Yasumi wa nichiyobi dake desu. Dito naman sa second example natin, ini-indicate natin na isang araw lang yung Yasumi o yung rest day. Anong araw ba yun? Linggo, nichiyobi. So, tuwing linggo lang yung rest day na mayroon siya. So, wala nang ibang araw na pwede siyang mag-Yasumi, kundi linggo lang or nichiyobi. Follow for more!